Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Abdullah Muhammad, and today we're diving into a key concept in controlling, which is controlling area. Whether you're new to SAP or brushing up your knowledge, this video will give you a clear understanding of what a controlling area is, why it matters, and how it's used in real-world SAP implementation. A controlling area in SAP is the central organizational unit in SAP controlling module. It represents a closed system used for cost accounting purposes. Think of it as the financial playground where internal reporting and cost tracking happen. It allows you to manage and analyze costs across different company codes, as long as they share the same operating chart of accounts and the same fiscal year variant. Let's have a real-world example. Let's say you're working with a multinational company called Abdullah Group that sells electronics with legal entities in Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Morocco. You can assign all three company codes to the same controlling area if they share the same fiscal year variant and operating chart of accounts. This allows for consolidated cost reporting and internal allocations across borders. Let's walk through how to define a controlling area in SAP. We go to the T code as IMG. We go to the following path: enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. You can copy from a predefined template or create a new one from scratch. New entries, enter the code AB01. Enter the name Abdullah Group. In the assignment control, you have two options. The first option is that the controlling area is same as company code if the relationship is one-to-one, or if there are more than one company code assigned to this controlling area, which is the cross-company code cost accounting. I'm going to choose the second one and enter the currency type. You have different options here. I'm going to choose the group currency, which is the USD, and enter the chart of accounts, the fiscal year variant, and then save the controlling area. And that's how we create a controlling area in SAP. That's a wrap on today's video about SAP controlling area. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.